Hey, I'm Tim, and now we're going to start with the main body. So the main body has two darts that give it its 3D shape. I have a separate video explaining exactly how to do those darts, how to transfer them and sew them, so go watch that one first. For my main body, I'm going to be doing the inline D-ring with an automatic buttonhole, but I'll have a separate video specifically on how to do an alternate method if your machine is unable to do that buttonhole. So the first step is to transfer your seam marks along the side as well as the center line, and then transfer the marks for the inline D-ring as well as the dart. So the way to transfer these D-ring marks is to punch a hole through the paper and then just put your Sharpie marks in the middle of the dots. So this is my third practice run, just getting everything aligned correctly and sized appropriately. If you've never seen this, it's really cool. So here we go. So I'll show you how to make sure that your buttonhole is the right size. I'm using this teeny tiny little D-ring. What you do to open these, you take your seam ripper and just cut the fabric out from between the two bar tacks. To check the size, just make sure your D-ring fits inside this slot. I just realized that I sewed it upside down. I'll show it to you anyways, because, well, you make mistakes. This time I got the fabric face side up. This is a pretty good size for these tiny little D-rings I have. So all I'm going to do is take a little piece of webbing, double it over through the D-ring, stitch it onto the backer, and then stitch the backer into the main body. Okay, so there's the underside of the two that have been top stitched. So now all you gotta do is trim away all the excess, and that'll get rid of the basting tape as well. Getting pretty good at it, I guess. Takes a little bit of practice, but once you do a couple of them, you nail it. Okay, so we're done with the main panel. Came out pretty well. The darts look good. Inline D-rings inserted okay. And one thing to note, make sure you put your buttonhole on the face side of the fabric so the threads match. Don't make that mistake. The next steps is we're going to put the top flap on and then the collar. So look forward to the next step and hope your packs are going well.